I wish it wasn't so hot.
Fuck yeah. Well, this is where I was sitting in that video the other day playing stupid racing games.
Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. It's I and the boy. Last video is the new and improved sofa arm tray, or sofa arm table. See, there's Wilson.
That's not here.
Cats get views.
So they say.
I mean, cats are like the foundation of what YouTube started off as. Yeah, dude, that video did pretty good. People liked the little carved snack dish that holds precisely 12 Cheez-Its.
12 Cheez-Its.
I think Adam tried to count it when we watched it.
It's about 12.
That was not my idea to do that. I mentioned it in the video. Andy Rawls, other Texas woodworker, you know, he did one with a carved dish, and I liked that idea so much. I wanted it on mine.
How many cheeses did his hold?
He had like just weird little cheese crackers. It wasn't even the goldfish. It was just kind of some weird. I heard from Remy.
Who's that?
Remy.
Remy.
Remy said the snack bowl was A+, though, dude.
Not gonna get fat eating out of that snack tray.
In the previous follow-up to this arm table, I said something about doing longer project videos. I just kept more information in this video, and I had several comments saying that people like that. A little bit more deets. Marcus. And I had a secret thing in the description about wanting to be sponsored by Taco Bell.
That'd be cool. It might not be hard.
Michael Wagner said, if you want a Taco Bell sponsorship, we should just eat Taco Bell during these videos. A Taco Tuesday Q&A.
They have to be crunchy, though, so they're loud for the audiences.
Yeah. We need some questions if we're going to do a Q&A.
Yeah, we need lots of questions.
Lots of questions.
To afford these tacos that we're apparently about to be forking out.
Mary said she didn't think she'd have the patience to carve that hole. If you have a proper gouge chisel, it's pretty quick work.
Yeah, it looked like it was fairly simple.
Yeah. No, it actually goes a lot faster than you think, Mary.
Why are you sniffing me there?
Noticed I was growing the beard out. Yes, Gary, I'm growing it back. I don't know, I look weird without it. Maybe it's just been too long since I've seen my own face. I didn't like it. So yeah, it's coming back.
I don't like who I am!
I can't live with myself. Maybe it'd be cool to put like a beer bottle opener on it.
Fuck yeah!
Yeah, Gary.
Just fucking right under there.
I had the hashtag TV guide, Gary. Gary remembers old TV guide.
Old TV guide.
I remember TV guide, briefly.
Channel 35.
Yeah, well, like a paper TV guide.
Oh, God.
Yeah, my grandma had them.
Jeez.
You know, these cushions came from an old church.
Yep.
It was nice to finally do one of those rebuild projects. I'm working on another one.
Oh, my God.
Right now, and the glue's drying.
He's waiting on glue to dry.
I'm waiting on glue
as
to
we
dry.
speak.
Come on. Oh, dude, Nameless Syrian has a name now.
What?
Nameless Garrett.
Nameless Garrett. Garrett the Assyrian.
He was happy we remembered him. Because I'd said he hadn't commented in a long time. Dude, I remember you.
He remembered you. I don't think I was around for that.
I don't think so either. Pickle Hater Kevin.
Pickle Hater.
I think
Kevin.
he's embraced that name because he even hashtagged it. Hashtag Pickle Hater Kevin. Oh yeah, you asked Kevin how long it takes him to sand those pipes. He said usually 3 to 5 hours.
That's not bad. Not as bad as I would have guessed.
Yeah, a lot of people said, hey, told us happy 4th. Did you do anything on 4th of July?
I helped a buddy unload a U-Haul.
Well, me and Jeff went and bought a bunch of snacks and then just watched a bunch of live TV all day. I guess it's pretty American.
Watching people get pulled over.
Yeah.
On Independence Day.
Speaking of t-shirts, though, ayo, I put up several new designs, so look for that. There'll be pictures over our faces and still a lot of stuff like that. And links down in the description.
Buffalo wings are great.
I love buffalo wings too, but dude, I can eat other kinds of spicy foods, but somehow buffalo wings just destroys my
I don't
stomach.
think it's the spice, man. It's like the oil and the vinegariness of them. The tart.
Yeah, dude, it destroys, but I can't stop. I can't help it.
Buffalo wings are great.
For the first time ever, I had somebody do the like first comment.
Oh,
Bobby Slack.
Bob Slack.
Yeah, and he advocates for a little bit longer with more instructional insight, and he says, I also watch you fellas at work. Dude, people just be watching us at work, dude. Dude, I see that cicada shell right there, but like, is that something else on it?
It's
or
just
is
a
it
knot in the wood.
It's a knot?
It's a knot.
Okay. I thought it was still like something coming out of that cicada shell.
It's not cicada shell.
Well, I think that's all we got. Weekly question this week is, if there was only one species of wood that you could work with forever, you never get to use another kind of wood ever again, what would you choose? Mine would be cherry. Yeah, what would yours be?
Probably particle board.
Make a particle board, cutting board.
That'll last forever.
Yeah, mine would be cherry. Adam's is particle board. What is y'all's one wood you never get to work with? All you get to work with for the rest of your life. Let us know. This Friday's video is going to be a pretty interesting one. Anyways, we will see you on Friday. And we'll see you again next Wednesday. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff. You know what they say about liking videos.
Something about YouTube algorithms.
Exactly. Something about YouTube algorithms. So, anyway, thank you very much for watching. We will see you next time. What a dick.
What's the fucking point?